Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-9A Ultrasonic wire harness welding machine, a high-tech solution designed for copper and aluminum wire splicing or parallel welding. The machine features original imported ultrasonic components, ensuring reliable output and consistent quality. It has industrial-grade touchscreen interface and supports MES connectivity. Welding recipes can be saved and switched easily to support flexible production. Unlike traditional cold crimping or tin dipping methods, the BZW-9A uses ultrasonic welding to directly join stripped wires. This eliminates waste and harmful gas emissions while bringing weld resistance close to zero, significantly reducing heat-related risks. Welding width is digitally adjustable, and welding pressure is managed by an electronic proportional valve. Parameter setup is fast and accurate.